Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal. We're going to look at this this expression here. We're going to change it to a quadratic using the substitution, and then we're going to use the substitution then to factor that out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I mean, either way, we can factor it one way or the other, right? So we're going to start by saying that u is the k squared stuff. So if we squared both of those, would get u squared, but then would get k to the fourth. So that k to the fourth now is just the u squared, and then we'll subtract 41, but now it's multiplied by u instead, and then plus 400. So we need two factors of 400 that add up to negative 41. Very good. So that's what we got, and 25 and 16 actually is going to work out pretty well, because now that we're going to split this up, right? Because the coefficient of u squared was 1. We're going to have u for both of these, and then we got the negative 25 and the negative 16. Now why that works out so well for us is that u is actually k squared, right? Which we're going to do, factor it, right? We got k minus 5, because this is the difference of two perfect squares for both, and then k plus 5. But we also got k minus 4 and k plus 4. Now if this was equal to 0, we would have 4 answers right there. Positive and negative 5 and positive and negative 4.